In this video we show how a list layout in a UX component can be set to snaking mode. So snaking mode displays the list as a series of cells in a tabular layout that snake from left to right, top to bottom. So you can see here that each record in this list has the row number underneath it, and you can see that the row numbers are going from left to right and then top to bottom, and then the list itself can be set to scroll. So this list is going to scroll vertically because there are more records than can be displayed in the panel card here, which has been set to, I believe, about 300 pixels or 400 pixels high. So if I scroll down, you can see that when I get to the end of the current page of data, and I believe the page size has been set to 40 records here, I'm going to get a more records button. So now I'll click this button, and that's going to go back to the server now to go and get the next 40 records. So let's go back to design mode and look at how this was done. So if we look at our list here, we see that our pagination method is set to fetch more records and our page size is set to 15. Let's go and change this now to say auto fetch more. So now basically as we scroll, we'll go and fetch new records automatically, and then when we go to our list properties, we can see that again we're using a freeform layout. The options as you recall are freeform and columnar, and snaking is only appropriate for a freeform layout. And then when you choose a snaking layout, you need to specify what the item width is. So this is the width of each cell in the layout grid. So we've chosen 110 pixels over here. So let's go now and save this, and then go back and run it now in the browser. And now because we've got auto fetch more turned on, you can see that as we scroll the list, we never get that fetch more button. The AJAX callbacks are happening automatically, and the list appears to be infinite, or at least as big as the data set for the query. So if we go turn on the AJAX callbacks here, we can see that as we scroll the list, each time we get to the end of the list, a new callback fires. So the ability to lay out a list using a snaking layout is very powerful, and allows you to model layouts that you might have seen. For example, if you go to the search page on Amazon, the search results are typically displayed in a snaking list layout as we've displayed over here. Thanks very much for watching.